Imagine, what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Now, before you start looking for your apocalypse survival kit, let me reassure you that this scenario, while fascinating, is highly unlikely. The forces at work that keep our planet spinning are incredibly powerful and not easily disrupted, but for the sake of curiosity, let's delve into this intriguing concept. Our Earth, this giant blue marble, spins on its axis, completing a rotation every 24 hours. This rotation is responsible for so much of what we take for granted in our daily lives. The cycle of day and night, the changing of the seasons, even the very climate we experience, are all tied to this spinning motion. But what if all that came to a grinding halt? Now that we've set the stage, brace yourself for the catastrophic chain of events that would unfold if the Earth stopped spinning. In an instant, everything not firmly attached to the ground would fly eastward at high speed. Imagine the chaos. Buildings, trees, even animals would be caught in this violent eastward motion. The Earth's rotation keeps everything in balance, and without it, we'd be living in a very different world. The oceans, held in place by gravity and the Earth's spin, would surge, creating colossal tidal waves that would ravage the coasts. Winds would whip around the planet at unimaginable speeds, causing destruction on an unprecedented scale. But the most immediate and devastating impact would be the loss of life. Millions, possibly billions, would be caught unprepared, unable to survive the violent upheaval. Cities would be leveled, forests uprooted, and entire ecosystems destroyed in a matter of moments. The Earth's sudden halt would be a cataclysm unlike anything we've ever experienced or could even conceive. But that's just the instant aftermath. The long-term effects, they're even more terrifying. As days turn into weeks, the Earth would transform into a completely alien world. This is the grim reality we'd face if our planet ceased to spin. The long-term effects would be truly catastrophic. One of the most significant would be the formation of a mega-continent, stretching from pole to pole. This would occur as the Earth's centrifugal force, which currently pushes land masses towards the equator, is removed. Instead, the planet's gravity would pull everything towards the center, causing land to accumulate in a single, massive continent. This new terrestrial configuration would result in drastic climate changes. The megacontinent would likely be a barren desert, as the lack of rotation would mean that sunlight would beat down on it continuously. Meanwhile, the vast oceans on the dark side of the planet would be perpetually freezing, creating a world of extreme temperatures. The biodiversity on Earth would also take a severe hit. Many species would simply not be able to adapt to the extreme conditions and would face extinction. Only those organisms able to withstand extreme heat or cold would survive. Humans, however, would struggle to survive in these harsh conditions. With the Earth's rotation halted, the magnetic field would gradually weaken, leaving us exposed to harmful cosmic rays. This could lead to increased rates of cancer and other diseases, further challenging our survival. The loss of the Earth's spin would also affect the planet's shape. Without the centrifugal force, the Earth would become more spherical, leading to widespread flooding as the oceans redistribute themselves. Coastal cities would be submerged, and many of the world's greatest landmarks could be lost forever. In summary, a world where the Earth stops spinning is a world where life as we know it ceases to exist. The cessation of Earth's spin would be nothing short of an apocalyptic event, reshaping life as we know it. It's a chilling scenario, but it underscores just how vital the Earth's spin is to our existence. So, we've journeyed through a world where the Earth has stopped spinning, and it's clear, we wouldn't want to be around to see it. Just imagine, an instant halt would lead to catastrophic events. Everything not bedrock would be swept away in a massive global windstorm, oceans would surge into giant mega tsunamis, and the atmosphere would move at the same speed it was previously spinning. The day side would scorch, while the night side would freeze. In the long term, the lack of rotation would mean no magnetic field to protect us from solar radiation. Earth would become a barren, lifeless planet similar to Mars. This exploration into the unknown isn't just a sci-fi horror show, it's a stark reminder of the delicate balance that allows life to flourish on our blue planet. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it underscores just how vital Earth's rotation is to our existence. So, the next time you feel the world is spinning too fast, remember, it's better than the alternative.